Are some of you searching online for a picture of it? Okay, it's gorgeous, but you know what? Go to a showroom, see it in person, maybe even test drive it. It's not all about look.
If you prefer to hear us without the ad breaks, check out absoluteradio.co.uk/premium to find out how. If you prefer to hear the news, you're in luck. It's next.
Digital radio, or ask your smart speaker to play Absolute 80s.
Emergency services are searching the rubble of a pizza restaurant in eastern Ukraine, where at least 8 people were killed in a Russian missile strike. Dozens of others were injured in Kramatorsk last night. 700,000 children are said to be attending schools in England which need major repairs. The National Audit Office claims around 1 in 3 school buildings is beyond its planned lifespan, putting lives at risk. There have been violent protests in Paris overnight after a teenager was shot dead by police. It's understood the 17-year-old driver was killed after failing to stop. And Kevin Spacey has smiled and waved at photographers as he arrived at a court in London for his sex offences trial. The actor denies 12 charges relating to 4 men in the UK between 2001 and 2013.
Absolute Radio weather.
Cloudy for most, with rain spreading eastwards, although staying mostly dry across southeastern areas, with highs today of 17 degrees in Belfast and 24 in London.
Is Hattie from Make Me.